So when you think about an offer and you think about an audience, you want to try to get something that's just, you want to get something that's a no-brainer, like something that like, what can I say to this audience that pretty much everybody would be like, dude, I'm interested. I'll watch a video. Dude, that sounds great. Like you want to think of the very specific things, and it can't be generic. Like, I mean, you guys throwing out good ideas like free money or whatever, but like, no, that's just going back to casting with the wrong bait. That's assuming everybody wants free money. When you listen to me clearly, your advantage is that you're the house, okay? Like in the casino, you have the house advantage, not the prospect. You have the house advantage. Meaning, let's say we're playing blackjack right now, okay? And I'm the dealer. You have to decide whether or not you're going to hit, give me another card, and whether you're going to stay. So you might bust, which means the casino wins no matter what I have. Do you understand how blackjack works? The casino wins. I could have nothing. I could have the worst cards possible, and I win only because you go first. And you can lose without even, that is what's called a house edge. That's how the casino can make so much money. They got this house edge. Do you understand? You as a marketer have the house edge. How do you have the house edge? Because I can research my market in advance before I pitch them. It is an unfair advantage. It's an unfair advantage. Look, I'm just going to share my screen, even though I'm not ready for this part yet. I want to come back to this, but I just got to share my screen. I'm sorry, just because I'm, you know what I'm saying? Because I feel like it. It's the only reason. So I'm going to share with you guys just this little list. So I just did a Google search. Let's see. I did a Google search, right? That's, you're looking at some Google results of top 1099 jobs. Okay. So all I did was I typed in top 1099 jobs, and it said sources around the web, and it just gave me all these things here. Okay. So all I did, top 1099 jobs. I was using this for the self-employment tax credit. So I'm going to come back to this for SETC, but I mean, I want you guys to understand this from a 30,000 foot view, that the way that you would pitch a photographer is different. I say photographer. I don't know what you guys say. Photographer. It doesn't matter. My ex-girlfriend used to make fun of me for calling it photographer. But I pitch a photographer differently than I'm going to pitch a landscaper. And I 100% guarantee I'm going to pitch a web developer differently. And guess what?